The dead hang is a great exercise to traction the whole body. It strengthens the grip, it opens up the shoulders for overhead lifting, tractions the lower back and opens it right up. And over time you'll develop connective tissue strength through the whole chain, through the grip, through the elbow, through the shoulders. It's something that's very good for the body and I highly recommend getting into it. When you're starting out, it's good to use something that you can keep your feet on the ground so that way you're not forced to jump up to it and you're also just gradually building that tissue tolerance in the grip and you're not going to squeeze it in a weird way or strain something. That way you can relax into that traction hang. If it is a bit challenging on the shoulders, you can start wider so that way it's less pressure in the joint. For some people, if they have the rings a bit closer or their grip's closer on the bar, there's more of an impingement. So you want to ease up into it. You can have the shoulders a bit more closed like that, so you're looking up to start with, and as you improve, you want to traction straight down. So here, when I'm coming into this, just letting the weight of my hips and my pelvis traction the whole spine, traction the shoulder, getting that nice strong grip. As you improve, you'll find your grip strength gets stronger, but you'll find that you won't fatigue so easily through the forearms in all pulling exercises. What you want to look out for is an even grip. And what that means is if you're just getting calluses in one spot, you're obviously overusing that area. So if you are getting calluses evenly across your hand, it's a lot better. Whereas if you're just pinching and overusing two fingers, then you're going to find you're going to get those calluses there. So wherever you don't have calluses, that's where you want to grip more to balance the grip out. And start with overhand, then you can go with underhand. In the rings, it'll just rotate depending on how much hang you have in them. These are a little bit higher, so it is going to pull me into that underhand grip, and that's going to put more stretch onto the lat. Same goes for the bar, the overhand grip at the top, and it is going to be a lot easier to traction out. If it's too strong at the beginning, you can look up as you gradually hang into that nice deep dead hang. The underhand grip is a lot heavier on the lats because you're getting external rotation. So here, coming up, traction out.